welcome back or welcome to another video of her sneeze. And today I'm going to be doing same as usual, a little bit of sneezing just to get some content out there for you guys. I must admit I do not feel well today, so I'm not going into work today or tomorrow. I'm just not feeling it. But if I'm not working somewhere, I am working here, so I can be like working on something. So let's just get started. Don't forget, I am doing video calls for 150 for 20 minutes where we talk casually and I sneeze every once in a while. So do that now. And we are officially having another March ticket raffle. So if you guys want that for a free video, tickets are $15 for one, and then it's $25 for 2 tickets. So get into that. My email is sneezegirl111@gmail.com. So get your own personalized sneeze video now if you need to, and make sure to watch the whole video through and to like every video and to subscribe, and tell your friends about it and make sure they subscribe too. Oh my god, I have like a big towel down here. Because it gets messy, so I just put a towel down. Oh. Sorry. Oh. I wasn't expecting him to be that powerful. Whoa. I think I need to take this gum out because it's like boosting. I don't know. Something's happening with the gum. Well, that is it for today. I hope y'all enjoyed those little fast and quick sneezes. I needed to get some content out for you guys, so that is what I did. I love you guys so much. There's also going to be another video coming out too, so be in tune for that. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to hit me up about the videos, and then the video calls too, and also the tickets. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Bye.